I'm Govinod. I'm from Cascade Academy. I'm reading English. Cricket is something that I love. Today, my teacher told us that we would be learning about cricket. I threw Sachin, Virat Kohli, and my other main player in the Indian cricket team, but she introduced Mithambi Dunai Raj and Indian cricket and the captain of the Indian women cricket team in the test. And one day international woods, I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her it is not for you. You had play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithambi started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. Thank you.